Um, Mitigating Article 13, mitigating circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. Paragraph 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisite necessary to justify the exempt from the criminal liability in the respective case are not attendant. Paragraph 2. That the offender of under the 18 years of age and 17 years in the case of the minor, he shall proceeded against the accordance with the provocation of Article 80. Paragraph 3. The offender had not intention to commit a grave wrong as the committed. Paragraph 4. That the sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately proceeded the act. Chapter 5. That the act was committed is the immediate vindication of the grave offense of the committing the felony or delito. His supposed ascendants or relatives are infinity within the same degree. Chapter 6. That of having act upon the impulse of powerful the naturally to have produce passion or obfuscation. Chapter 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to the person in authority or his agent of the hand of voluntary confess his guilt before the court prior of the prosecution of the evidence of the prosecution. Paragraph 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, otherwise suffering some physical defect with restrict his means of action, defense, or circumstance communications which has follow beings. Chapter 9. Such as illness of the offender would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without, however, depriving him of the circumstances of his act. Chapter 10. And finally, any other circumstances of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned.